All right, guys. So, how you doing today? Today, I'm going to review how to make a touchless open house using Google or touchless open house registration using Google. So, there's ways for you to integrate this into your CRMs and stuff like that. But today, I'm going to show a simple way, probably most inexpensive as well, using a couple simple services. All right. So here we go. I'm going to share my screen. And then I'm going to make it a little bit bigger here. So, all right. Now, just jump into your Gmail account. If you don't have one, make one. Here, you're going to go into Google Forms. Okay. Now, I already created this form. Basically, what we want to do is we want to, let me show you. This is one of our recent open houses. And what I did here is on the MLS sheet, or if you have your own office flyer, we add this QR code and this sentence here and hand them out at the open house. So in order to generate this to land on a website, which forces them to register that you can see it, that's what I'm going to show you today. So at the end, basically you get a PDF editor, or, you can stick this on a trifold out front of the house, on a stand, whatever you want for people to walk up, scan it with their phone, and I'll show you where it forces them. It just lands on a website. If you had a CRM, you could build a landing page for your open house to register them right into your open house as well. So I'm going to show you real quick how to do this. Should be less than 10 minutes. All right. So first thing, this is the form that I made already, but I'm going to go slowly on this so you guys can actually copy similar questions. But this is Google Forms. This is where you can just create any sort of form that you can share with people. All right. So this is the information. They're going to land on this page in their cell phone. They're going to ask for my opinion, name, email, phone number, couple questions that are, some things that you want to know about this consumer. Do you have an agent? What's their name? And then COVID, we want, a disclosure about them walking through homes. So I made this one. So feel free to pause this video and read this and, add your own language to your open house sign-in form. All right. Now, within Google, here's the different features of this. Okay. So first things first, settings on the form. You want to uncheck everything. You don't want to have restrictions to your own people in your organization or anything like that. So uncheck all this. I added the progress bar so people know while they're standing out front, and that's it. All right. Now, responses. This is where, when you're standing out front of the open house, I would want to create a spreadsheet, and from your phone, this is what it's going to look like. You're going to have the Google Sheets app in your phone, and every time somebody fills out the form, okay, it's going to land here, and I'll show you how simple this is. And then I'll show you how to share it as well. So this is how you share it. You grab the link. You can grab the shorter link. Okay. And then give it away at the open house, right? I'm going to show you how to make a QR code so you don't have to send links to anybody or anything like that. But in general, all right, now here, yes, I'm a first-time buyer, 0 to 1 months. I do have a home to sell, no agent, and yes, I certify that that statement is true, and then submit. Okay, now over on the open house sheet, boom. So while you're standing out front, you'll be able to say, hey, is Matt Test here? You're welcome to walk through the open house. I have your registration. Okay. Now, in order to make it simpler so that you can add this little QR code at the bottom to your sign-in sheet, right? Or your MLS sheet. I'll show you how to do that. So again, you're going to grab the link here. Okay. Copy that. You're going to go over this website's free, create an account. But that's the link. Okay. That I just got off the form. Create the QR code. Okay. Download it. These are ads. That's why it's free. So you don't need to sign up. And now this is just a picture. So what I have a certain spot that I want this. So I'm going to put QR code dash test registration, test reg, save. I'm going to open that. Okay. Now I'm going to stop this screen share. Come back to me. All right. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my cell phone and I'm going to scan this code that's sitting on my computer. I'm going to open my camera, go like this, tap it. And all right, now I'm going to show you what it looks like on the actual camera. So it brought me right to the open house registration form, and me as a consumer can just go right up the chain, answer all those questions right from my cell phone. All right. Now I'm going to show you, we actually have one built right now. So for this is an open house we're having this weekend. So again, same thing. The agent is going to have the responses sent to this spreadsheet. And then at the end of the open house, they're going to go in. Oh, sorry. You can't see my screen. Sorry. So here, this is one we're having this weekend, right? Here's the questions. And then here's the responses. I tested this one earlier. So same thing. When I click this, I'm going to land here. One test. Great. And now as everybody walks in, they're all registered. So I hope this helps. There we go. So any questions, feel free to reach out. If you'd like me to share the form with you, I don't mind doing that. Just reach out. And I hope this helps your business.